To begin creating your text effect poster, start by drawing a boundary using the rectangle tool in Coreldraw. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbox or press F6 on your keyboard. Click and drag on the canvas to create a rectangle that will act as the outer frame of your poster. After creating the rectangle boundary, the next step is to fill it with a background color that complements your text effect. After creating the boundary using the rectangle tool, fill it with a suitable color from the color palette. Then use the interactive fill tool to apply a gradient by clicking and dragging across the rectangle, adjusting the gradient type and colors to enhance the background for your text effect. Using the text tool, type your desired text on the poster and choose a unique, bold font to make it stand out and match the overall theme of your design. After typing your text, press Ctrl+Q to convert it to curves, then use the Shape tool to select and stretch the bottom nodes downward, giving the text a dynamic and extended effect. Now duplicate the text by pressing Ctrl+D, change its color to black or dark gray, and slightly offset it behind the original to create a realistic shadow effect. After duplicating the text for the shadow effect, rotate the duplicate to the opposite side using the Pick tool, fill it with a dark color, and position it slightly behind the original text to create a bold and dynamic shadow look. To make the second text look more like a natural shadow, use the Perspective tool to stretch and distort it, giving it a realistic, spread-out shadow effect beneath the main text. After completing all the effects, select all the text and use the Power Clip feature to place it inside the background rectangle, keeping the design clean and well-contained. Now take any PNG image, such as this man on a bicycle, and bring it onto the background using the Pick tool by simply dragging and positioning it where you want it on the poster. Add a shadow to the bicycle man image using the Drop Shadow tool to enhance depth and bring more visual appeal to your overall design. To learn more amazing designs like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Let's take creativity to the next level together.